Who's panicking? Because there is no need to panic, guys. In today's video, we're going to look into Bitcoin, we're going to look into Ethereum, we're going to look into our alts, and we're going to find out what the hell is going on with Bitcoin right now. Why are we dumping? Now, before we do get into that, guys, make sure all of you have paused the video, you've ran up those likes. Let's try and get this to 150 likes. Go and drop me a sub if you're new. Let's get into it. Now, to start off the day, guys, our boy CZ is now in jail. He is in jail. He is sentenced to 4 months in prison, guys. And this was a long time coming. I mean, especially with that whole FTX drama. I remember when he was absolutely trolling the living shit out of SBF. I thought, you know what? His time is going to come. I know he's doing some shady things. Everybody knew he was doing shady things. To be honest, he's pretty lucky that it's only 4 months in prison. Now, this isn't the reason that the whole crypto market has been dumping. We were expecting this, guys. But a lot of people are going to put this onto the fact, oh no, Binance is going to zero. That's why we're dumping. And everyone's going to have their own theories, okay? My theory is we have been respecting the data for the past nearly 15 years, okay? That is why we are in a current correction. So we're going to go and check out the charts heavy at the end of the video. So make sure you guys do stay till the end. But I'm going to see a lot of chartists, a lot of fortune tellers online saying, we knew it was going to 50k, it's going to 40k, the bull run's over. It's not over, it's far from over. But I did see this today and this did make me laugh. This is like a classic CZ picture, 4 years in jail. Shouldn't be laughing at him, to be fair, because, you know, that sucks. But if you're doing dodgy things, what can you expect? Now, the reason he's in jail, guys, is because of money laundering. He pled guilty to anti-money laundering law violations, and US prosecutors recommended a 3-year sentence for the Binance head. Moreover, the court hearing took place the day after it was rescheduled, and originally the sentencing of the crypto mogul known as CZ was meant to take place in February of this year, so he got an extra 2 months of freedom. He'll be back for the end of the bull run. Now, Bitcoin, ETH, all the alts, they've been having a tough time today. I mean, we were at 59k at one point today, guys. We're back at 60k, and I really do think that time is ticking, guys. Time is ticking for you to be sitting on the sidelines wondering whether or not you should be buying alts or not. These prices will not be here forever. And I want to say to all of you guys, if you're not following the X, go and follow the X. It's just go and do it. I'll leave a link in the description. But the difference between myself and the members club and the retail noobs is that myself and the members club, we prepare accordingly and we take action. The retail noobs are going to be panicking like shit right now. They're going to be saying, oh no, do I sell all of my crypto? Is the bull run over? I've seen this guy with 50 followers on X tell me that the bull run's over, guys. Okay? Check this out. Now, I've got so many of these posts, but this is the latest post, so I thought I'd just show you this. Let me just move myself down here. This was on the 26th of April, so 4 days ago. We're in the bottom area of our area of interest. If we revisit the top-up zone, then this is where I'll be looking for our final accumulation levels for not only Bitcoin, not ETH, but everything, our altcoins as well, okay? 26th of April. 4 days later, we are officially in the top-up zone. This is a major opportunity. People who buy in the current state of fear do exponentially better than those who buy into pumps. And let me ask all of you a question I asked them. I'll ask you guys as well. Do you truly believe this is the end of the bull run? Because I don't. And if you don't, then make the most out of it. We are far from finished in this cycle, guys. There's so much data to say that we're in the mini bull run before the actual bull run, and by bull run I mean alt season to come, guys. Obviously, Bitcoin has retested the all-time high, and it usually takes about 1 to 3 months tackling this all-time high before the next leg and then before alt season. And while everyone might be wondering, well, why have the alts not been going up? Why have some alts gone up? Why have some not? Because alt season's not even starting yet. The Bitcoin dominance was super high. We were waiting for the Bitcoin dominance to drop and the ETH dominance to pick up, along with our total 3 dominance as well. And it just hasn't yet. We're still in Bitcoin season, guys. So now is the accumulation phase for our altcoins, the same way that the bear market's the accumulation phase for Bitcoin, guys. Now is the time that we make the most out of these stupid prices for top projects. We fill up our bags as much as we can, and we just hold and we wait for the end of the year. Now let's go and check out the trading view. Now I haven't touched any of these charts, guys, and if you want to go back for reference, you can go back in all the old videos. I mean, I just haven't touched this at all. Now we were looking at holding this lower high. We wanted to hold this here, okay? We didn't hold it as support, so we've come down to support 1. If we break support 1, I'll be looking for more entries at support 2, and worst case scenario, everyone's shit in the pants, everyone wants to just leave crypto, we'll be buying more at support 3. But am I going to be waiting for a guaranteed support 3? Is it guaranteed? It's not guaranteed, guys. So we add at support 1. And then if we move on to this, guys, look at all of the previous halvings. I mean, granted, yes, we are ahead of schedule. We have new ETFs in place. We have more global adoption. But it usually took around 6 months post-halving for us to be having our alt season, guys. Okay? We're not even there yet. We've only been there for like, what? We haven't even been a month post-halving, okay? We've hit our head on the all-time high about 6 weeks ago, but that would mean that we've still got 4.5 months left before we do have our alt season. And is that going to be in line with August or September? I will be holding my horses until then, because if we really haven't dealt with the all-time high by then, and maybe we're coming back down, then maybe the data is not respecting what it once used to. But like I said in yesterday's video, like I say in every video, every single day, we had to see what happened with this area of interest, and we were expecting a dump into the top-up zone. I literally said this to you yesterday, guys, and what happened? One day later, we've dumped into the top-up zone. So now is the time where all of my large caps, maybe some of my mid to low caps as well, I'm just buying them. I'm just topping them up, because I want to add to my bag, because this level at 52k that everyone's going to be calling for may not come. We may not go lower than this 59k, guys, okay? It may happen, but it may not. So I'm not relying on ifs and buts and maybes. I'm just making sure that I take action when we plan to take action, which is now. So some of the top coins that I'm buying, guys, I mean, I bought Optimism last night. I bought more ICP last night. I'll probably buy more ACH. I mean, if you want a full list of the coins that I've been buying in this dip, then you guys need to go and check out the members club. I've got a full list, all different categories. We've got layer 1s, layer 2s, high cap, low cap, AI, gaming, real world assets. We've got everything, guys. So we've been making sure that we've topped the hell up in this time. And you guys, you need to just try and remove the emotions. I know it's easier said than done when you're seeing your portfolio crash thousands and thousands and thousands of pounds. Trust me, I'm there with you guys, but we have to be taking action, because in a year's time, guys, we're going to look back at these prices and we're going to say, why the hell did we not accumulate more? Okay, so this is just a very quick one. This is late at night. It's like 11 p.m. here, so I'm just making this a quick one. But guys, it is time to top up. The chart told us to top up. We need to top up. So that's it. Let me know how you're feeling about the current market dip. Are you waiting for lower prices, or have you started to take action now? Let me know in the comments. And again, to make sure you don't miss any important updates, pause the video, smash that like button, go and drop me a sub. I'm going to see you in the next one. Peace, guys.